Okay, hi guys. So people asked me before, how do I put my slideshow into my Google site? So yeah, people know how to do it, but sometimes don't know how to make other people to add their photos and still that they could update. So now I go to my album. So I press share button. So I can do that. Okay, that's the people I want to let have, like I want in my site. So if I send it to him and I press let people to share and contribute photos, it will let them, and only when they press refresh on the slideshow they opened, they could see the photos. So how do I put the photos on my site? How do I put slideshow? Okay, so it's a gadget in your Google site. You go to insert and you go to Picasa Web Slideshow, and then just choose your site, and then you just choose it. So let's choose this one. And I don't want to include the border, and I don't want to include the title. I just don't want to see. I just want to see the site. So I put it in, I press save, and now you see it's above. So I don't want it above it. I want it like down here. So that's how it's gonna look like. Now when I save it, it's gonna be like this. Now you can see the photos, and you can move along, and you can still watch it and all. And people, if I will send it to him and I press share, so they could also upload their own pictures, and then they could have one big album of all. You see, when it gets to the end, it can start over and over again, like nothing. So, guys, you can also contact my Twitter, TomEM12. That's my Twitter. So as you can see, I'm already working on my new videos like this one, and a lot of my videos. So just contact me through here for my Twitter. Just if you need any help or something, I'm always here to help. And if you need any help, like you want people to create like a real site more than just the dummy sites, so you can ask, and I will put a video of how you use like other themes and other layouts instead of just doing this dummy layout or blank. So I want to show you something. So I will go to share now. Now I'm gonna go for the sharing. So I will go to my site layout. That's like how it looks like. So that's the contact and that's the header, and now I can change my layout. Um so that's like the site with how. So that's the header. It's like what they want to ask. So I'll put it on top and standard. I just put it like DMD field because you don't really know what will happen unless you do it. So on the left or on the right doesn't matter. Footer doesn't really matter too. So just I so that's like the system footer is down here. Always you see it. Um, Logo and alignment. So if you want to do like in the footer views, you can see like here they are. So if I like one, and then I do a preview of what I've done, and then you can see that's how it looks like. Let's open let's like this, and that's how it looks like. One more thing, I think I will add in my U video that how you can make it to be you see, every time you go to Google site and you see a site, it's usually gonna say here stuff, right? So I'm trying to see how can I make um how can I make it how can I make it as that you can do it. Oh, here. So that's how you change your site name. You go to dummy site. So I'm gonna change it to online profile. So when I go here, and it's gonna like all of them. Webmaster Tools, the display language, of course English for you guys. anyone can view, and collaborators only. I don't want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to save this. Now it says it's been saved. So now I go back, and my title has been changed to my online profile. So I go back to save to share, and here I can add people to be owners or to just add. So I go to my site layout again, and you can see I have like sidebar with the navigation. So there's like text, recent site, my recent, and like stuff like that. So let's put owners, and I will put also the +1 button so you guys can share it, and I will also add the like buttons for you guys to know to like it. So as you can see, that's the owners, which is me. Yay. And that's the like, and that's +1. It's not available for my account for some reason. Doesn't allow me to use it. So let's go again for my sharing. Go to set layout. And then we'll delete this one and put I'll put a countdown. I'll show you for what. I want to save this before. So now I have a countdown, which means you can see like this. So I'll put a countdown for my next video. Okay, guys, there you go. So let's go for my layout, site layout, edit. So let's choose my date. I want to go to January 1st. Event, I will call this New Year video, which means the new year starts, and I will upload my new video for you guys. So I will save it now, and every time you go to my site, you can just watch and watch. You see, there's 39 days to my countdown video. So till then, you can follow me on Twitter, TommyM12, and I'm very new in Twitter. You can see I got only one follower for now, and you can also be on my online profile, which I always share with you guys, and you can watch my YouTube account, and you can do a lot of stuff. So guys, always remember that I'm here to help you guys, and you can see now if I go here, Tom Barter, full profile, it doesn't really gonna tell you a lot about me. See, just because I'm not really a user, so just have fun, guys, and create your site. That's what I'm gonna say to you.